The invention of new materials and processes have continuously propelled the rapid advancement of global manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is accelerating a new wave of industrial innovation worldwide, emerging as a key engine for the transformation and upgrading of advanced manufacturing. Falcontech, a globally leading provider of metal additive manufacturing solutions, remains firmly anchored in the vision of intelligent manufacturing, propels the transition from traditional manufacturing to digital and intelligent production. Falcontech has assembled a top-tier R&D team dedicated to selective laser melting technology. Over a decade of innovation leads to remarkable achievements. Falcontech has developed mature printing capabilities for over 40 types of metal materials, including titanium alloys, aluminum alloys, superalloys, and copper alloys, while mastering advanced AM design methodologies and simulation-driven optimization technologies. Driving leaps in product performance through innovative structures, the company has been recognized as a national-level Little Giant enterprise, a high-tech enterprise of Jiangsu Province, and the leading unit of the National Key R&D program. With over 100 patents, focusing on AM technology, Falcontech strengthens the industrial chain and built a robust technological barrier, building full industry chain capabilities from material development to industrial applications. Falcontech pioneered the establishment of a gas-atomized titanium alloy powder production line in China, with an annual output of 90 tons of powder. Equipped with industry-leading AM devices from top domestic and international brands, Falcontech supports small, medium, and large format production, with a maximum printing size of 1500 by 1500 millimeters. The company is also outfitted with post-processing equipment such as hot isostatic pressing furnaces, vacuum heat treatment furnaces, and 5-axis machining centers, along with inspection tools, including material testing, CMM, FPI, and X-ray inspection, enabling a seamless material, design, manufacturing, inspection, one-stop production process. Falcontech has established a strict quality control system, rigorously implementing standards such as AS9100D and ISO 9001, ensuring quality assurance throughout the entire product lifecycle. Empowering products with AM and expanding application frontiers, the company continues to redefine the product value. From space to aviation applications, from thermal management to consumer electronics, from the low-altitude aerial vehicles to embodied intelligence, Falcontech remains committed to innovation. Looking ahead, Falcontech will uphold the spirit of win-win, collaboration, and progress, illuminating high-end manufacturing with advanced technology. With the light of technology, we stand ready to work alongside global partners to shape an intelligent future for manufacturing.